Welcome to our channel. 10th class SSC board examination, mathematics, important topics. Sets. Father of set theory George Cantor. Definition: a well-defined collection of distinct objects. Some examples. Examples of well-defined collections: all even numbers, all odd positive integers, all months of a year. Examples of collections which are not well-defined: good, most talent, some stars in the sky. Sets are denoted by capital letters. The elements are denoted by lowercase alphabets. Okay, the element present in the set or not. How to represent? If the element present in the set, we can use this is symbol belongs to. It is read as belongs to. The element not present in the set. Not belongs to, does not belongs to. It is read as does not belongs to. Okay, how to read? How to show that? For example, A is equal to here 1, 2, 3. This is one set. The element 1 present in the set A, so belongs to. 2, the element present in set A belongs to. 3 is present in the set, so belongs to. So if for suppose 4 is not present in set A, so does not belongs to. 5 not belongs to set A. So belongs to means the element present in the set, not belongs to means the element not present in the set. So this is sets. Next, description of sets. Describing sets or description of sets. Sets, there are two ways to describe. Describing sets. Describing sets. Sets are describing in, there are two ways. One is roster form. Roster form, it is also list form. Next, second one is set builder form. Set builder form or characteristics form. Here roster form or list form or tabular form. Another name also there, tabular form. Here characteristics, set builder form, characteristics form. Okay, here character of the elements. This is another formula also, another form, that is rule form. Here first, actually everyone remember roster form and set builder form. Roster form another name list form, tabular form. Here set builder form another name characteristics form, rule form. Okay, description of sets. So roster form, how to represent roster form? This method, all the elements of the set are listed. The elements being separated by commas and enclosed with curly brackets. Roster form means list of the elements. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These elements separated by commas and keep it in curly brackets. That is denoted by, for suppose B is the set. Next, for suppose vowels A, E, I, O, U. This is one of the set. So these are separated by commas and keep it in curly brackets. So separated by commas and keep it in curly bracket. This is roster form. Next form is set builder form. Set builder form. This is one of the building. This form is used when all the elements of set possess a single common property. For example, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. For suppose here 5 elements are there. These 5 elements had one of the common property. 1 is write as 1 square, 4 is write as 2 square, 9 is write as 3 square, 16 is right as 4 square. 25 is right as 5 square. What is the common property? Perfect squares. So what is the common property that you have to write in a one set? That is A is equal to all the elements. Here squares, all are having squares. Now here bases are different. So the different number is denoted with one of the variable x. So these all elements are square. So that's why I kept a square. X square such that this slanting line are two dots, you should keep it. X square such that x belongs to, this is belongs to natural numbers. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. So x less than or equal to 5. Or x less than 6 also right. Okay, these are perfect squares. More one. For example, b is equal to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. This is one of the set. What is the common property? So that right set builder form, all are, we know that represented with one of the variable x, such that here all the elements are integers. X belongs to I or z. X belongs to z. Here starting from minus 3. This is less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 2. So minus 3 is there, 2 is. Minus 3 and 2 both are included. That's why I kept r equal to symbol. All are integer. So this is the set builder form. For example, more one. C is equal to 1 comma 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3 comma 1 by 4 comma 1 by 5 comma 1 by 6. Here all are had one of the common property. We know all numerators are equal to 1. So 1 by, here this one is right as 1 by 1 also. So 1 by x, such that x belongs to, here denominator 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So natural numbers. And x less than or equal to 6. This is set builder form. Types of sets. Okay, first finite set. Finite set. If a set contains countable elements, for example, A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. There are 4 elements. How many elements? Countable. 4 only. So this is finite set. Infinite set. Infinite means uncountable elements. For example, natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. This is infinite set. Uncountable elements in a set, that is infinite set. Next, empty set. Empty. A set having no elements is called empty. A set has no element. There is no element in a set. So it is denoted by pi. There is no elements in a set is called empty set or void set or null set. Empty set, void set or null set. Okay, next singleton set. Singleton set. B is equal to 2. That is even prime number. Even prime number is 2. So this is singleton set. Not only that, A is equal to, if you can take 20. This is one of the sets. C is equal to 8. Singleton means only one element in a set. Empty set, set builder form, most properly they will write x such that x not equal to x. This is set builder form of empty set. Singleton set, set builder form is even prime number. Even prime number is 2. So singleton set. Finite set, infinite set, empty set, singleton set. Next, cardinal number of a set. Of the set. Cardinal number. So for example, A is equal to 3, 5, 7. How many elements in the set? N of A is equal to 3. For example, B is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20. How many elements? Number of elements in B? 4. Number of elements in a set is called cardinal number of a set. How many elements? For example, pi. Pi is, there is no elements. So n of pi, cardinal number of elements in pi is 0. Number of elements in a set is denoted by cardinal number of A. N of A. N of A, N of B, N of pi, N of C, anything. They should ask. Okay, next, equivalent sets. Equivalent sets. If two sets are said to be equivalent, A is equal to A, B, C. B is equal to P, Q, R. Here those two sets N of A. In the elements in A, how many are there? 3. N of B, that is also 3. So but elements are not equal, but number of elements in A is equal to 3, number of elements in B is equal to 3. So N of A is equal to N of B. Number of elements in A is equal to number of elements in B. The two sets number of elements same. So the two sets are called equivalent sets. It is denoted by 1-to-1 correspondence. Or this is also equivalent sets. Equivalent sets are denoted by these two things. It is depend on cardinal number of set. Basic operations on sets. Here sets we have like plus minus into divided by symbol, same model. Here sets also some basic operations are there. One is union of the sets. Union of the sets. How to do union of the sets? A is equal to 2, 3, 4. B is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. Now how to find A union B? A union B. So A is 2, 3, 4 union. B is 3, 4, 5, 6. Now union means all the elements. A and B, what are the elements? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is A union B. Similarly, B union also will get same. Next, Venn diagram also. Venn diagram of A union B. This is A and this is B. A is one set, B is another set. These two sets keep it in rectangular box. That rectangle box is denoted universal set. This is mu. Okay, first, what are the common elements right here? What are the common elements of the two sets? 3, 4. Here write 3, 4. Next, here remaining element 2. And second set 5, 6 remaining elements. Okay, union means full. A, B, total elements. So that's why you have to shade like this. Full you have to shade. A, B, full shaded. So down or beside right. Here A union B is represent 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Beside one box. How you shaded? This is A union B. A union B. Venn diagram with Venn diagram. Next, intersection of sets. Intersection of sets. Here intersection of sets. Same element, same set I am doing now. A intersection B. A intersection B. 2, 3, 4. In middle right intersection 3, 4, 5, 6. Now intersection means what are the common elements? Only you can take common elements. How to show in Venn diagram? This is A and another one B. A, B. Now both are keep it in rectangular box, means that is universal set. Is the major set in set theory. Here what are the common elements? 3, 4, here 2, 5, 6. Now here middle part only shade, that is intersection. So A intersection B, how to represent A intersection B? What is the shaded part? That contain elements also, right? 3, 4. This is intersection. Intersection means common elements. If anything is there, right. If any no element in common, that empty you can write. Next, difference of sets. Difference means minus. Same elements we can take A minus B. A minus B. What are the elements in A? 2, 3, 4. Minus, what are the elements in B? 3, 4, 5, 6. Common elements, no need to write, just cut with pencil. 3, 4. What are the remaining elements in first set? That is A minus B. First, suppose we can write B minus A. 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 2, 3, 4. What are the common elements? 3, 4 cancel. What are the rest of the elements in first set? That is B minus A. Here once observe, A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Now I want to show Venn diagram. This is A, B for A minus B. This is A and this is B for B minus A. Okay, here 3, 4, here 2, 5, 6. A minus B. This is also keep it in rectangle box, universal box, universal set. Universal set is represented with rectangle box, mu. Here also 3, 4, 2, 5, 6. Okay, A minus B. This is A minus B. This is B minus A. Shading part represent B minus A. So A minus B. Only 2. That is how to shade it. Next B minus A. 5, 6. That is also shading box. Here important, this shaded part. So finally I am showing here A is one set, B is another set. Here A, here B. This is rectangle box is represent mu, universal set. Okay, here middle is A intersection B and it is A minus B and it is B minus A. So this is common part. This is only A. Only A means only A minus B, only B minus A. Intersection part A minus B, B minus A. That full is A union B. Just cardinality property, n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. This is cardinality property. Next, with the using Venn diagram, another property also, n of A union B, how to write? These three add means n of A minus B plus n of B minus A plus n of A intersection B. By using these two identities or cardinality properties, any three numbers n of A, n of B, n of A intersection B, they are given, finding n of A union B. Any three they will give, you can find third one, fourth one. 3 is given, fourth one you can find easily by using these two cardinality properties. Okay, and one thing is, if A comma B, here disjoint sets, one concept is missing, disjoint sets and joint sets. Disjoint sets means there is no common element of the sets. Example, even numbers, odd numbers. Even numbers, odd numbers, there is no common element. There is no element in common. A is equal to 2, 4, 6. B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. So these two sets once observed, there is no common element, means A intersection B is equal to pi. That is n of A intersection B is equal to n of pi means 0. That time n of A union B formula once observed. Here this term is 0. So n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B when A comma B are disjoint sets. When A comma B are disjoint sets, A minus B value is A. B minus A is B. Okay. Next, disjoint means there is no common element. When you are drawing Venn diagram for that, this is A. This is B. There is no common element for that. That is disjoint sets. A, what are the elements? 2, 4, 6. What are the elements in B? 1, 3, 5, 7. So this is A intersection B, A union B. That everything you can write by using this Venn diagram also. Disjoint sets. And A subset B, Venn diagram is also there. A subset B means this is A and this is B. So this is B, this is A. So A subset B. A is the set, all the elements considered also in B. This is A subset B, Venn diagram. A subset B. Every element present in A is also in B. So this is A. Shaded part is A. So remaining total in B. So A subset B. A subset B also some properties are there. We have to show. Subsets. How to write subsets? A is equal to, for example, 2, 3, 4, 5. N of A. N of A is equal to 4. So number of subsets formula 2 power n of A means 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is 16. 16 subsets. Here how to write subsets? Subsets of the set A. How to write? First one element write. First element 2. Next 3. Next 4, next 5. One element I wrote. After that, two elements. That is also one pattern is there. 2, 3. 2 pair with remaining elements. 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. 2, 4, 2, 5. Next, 3, 4, 3, 5. Next, 4, 5. It is only forward. These are two elements of the sets. Next, 3 elements. That is like cyclic. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Write cyclic. Cyclic you can write 2, 3, 4. First starts with 2. 2, 3, 4. Next 3, 4, 5. Next 4, 5, 2. Next 5, 2, 3. So once count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. More 2. What are they? 4 sets. 4 elements the set. 2, 3, 4, 5. This is every set is subset of itself. Every set is subset of itself. And more one, empty set is subset of every set. 2 points. Every set is subset of itself. Empty set is subset of for all sets. A subset of A. B subset of B. So empty set, pi is subset of A. These two remember. Every set is subset of itself. Empty set is means null set is subset of every set. These two things remember. Okay. Every set is subset of itself. Empty set is subset of every set. Okay. A is subset of B. If A is subset of B, then A union B. A union B is big set. A intersection B is small set. A minus B is equal to pi. When if A subset of B. If A subset of B, these things. Next, A delta B. This is symmetric difference. A delta B means this, here two formulas are there. First A union B minus A intersection B. A delta B is equal to. Next another one. A minus B union B minus A. This is symmetric difference. A delta B formula. A minus B union B minus A. This is A. A minus B union B minus A. This is the set theory. Set theory was developed by George Cantor. He is a great mathematician, German mathematician. Here we discuss so many things. First, in exam they will ask, maximum they will ask A union B, A intersection B, N of A union B, A minus B. With the help of set builder forms, first given sets you can write set builder form, they will give that, write in roster form, and after that you can start. Union means all the elements, just short word. Intersection means common. Difference means common elements will be cancelled, remaining elements, rest of the elements in the first set. And Venn diagram is most important. With the help of Venn diagram they will ask. It is short and easy chapter. All the best.